Santorino's son here is giving me the inside scoop on what they do to prepare for those. Whoa.
They are electric. They go up to 25 miles an hour. They are amazing.
Oh boy.
And we are out of here.
Scarred for life. Details on that case when we come back.
Okay, when two clowns crashed, it was no laughing matter. And no, it was not part of their act. The two elderly men crashed their minivan on their way to the local fair. The driver, 83-year-old James Billingsley, a.k.a. Dimples the Clown, collided. He missed the entrance, but when he tried to make a U-turn, he slammed right into an SUV. They're okay. Police say Dimples was wearing oversized clown shoes, but police say that they did not play a role in the crash.
Coming up, I'm right here in Times Square, and I know he's here somewhere, and I cannot wait for the moment I can say I met...
Ba. Như vậy thì
Als je de mooiste... Nee.
هل هي بالفعل ما زالت صاعدة؟ فهي مفاتيح.
You're going to do a spoken word for us now, right?
Right.
And tell us what we're about to hear.
It's just a freestyle.
Okay.
I'm just going to think it up as I go.
Freestyle. Well, let me sit back. Go ahead, Marshall.
Okay. Years ago, they tried to put me in the... This is live.
Did you want to try to read something from your book?
Yeah.
В ловкости, например, перепрыгивают. Но не всех это.
Okay. Ready, here so you go 1, 2.
They say, no matter what, just have fun, use your hands, and make sure you steer.